Hello, may I know your name and where do you stay?
Hi, so my name is Girish Kuru, so Arush is our son who's studying in the school. So we stay very close to the Noble Hospital in Hadapsar itself.
Okay.
So
How old is your child?
So he's about 3 years now,
Okay.
and it's about 1 year since he's been admitted here. He's been doing quite well. So when we initially when we were looking for a school, the kind of things which we had in our mind, so we had a set of things in our mind, but then when we approached this school, so we were told that there are a set of things which will be done, and there was a pattern around it, which was more than and beyond our expectations actually, and that's what really caught our attention. Plus the timing was also so suitable for us because he comes at 11. It's 11 to 1:30 is the school timing. It's very comfortable for us as well. For me to drop him to school and then go. So later on, he's also now coming in the school transport, which is again very responsible enough, quite nice. His progress cards, which are being shared on a regular basis, is again very good fun. We've been quite happy with the way he's being progressed. The teachers are quite responsive. They've noticed very small things about him, which they bring to our notice. And he also comes back home and he explains what all he has learned in the school, which is quite nice. Some of the other things also, like the extracurricular kind of activities, like not only study, they go outside to fire stations, they go outside to the mall, and those are also like very practical kind of experiences which a kid gets. Which I feel is wasn't really expected, which is like all like a bonus for us.
Actually.
Okay.
Actually, that gave a better insight for him as to like basic, just an example like fire station and all. He enjoyed what is the importance of a fire station, what is the activities or the characteristics of a fire engine, what it does. It was easy for him to understand because everyone he always sees in a video or in a book he sees. The live experience is something which was, it kind of sealed its memory on his brain. So,
Okay.
The other best thing is also about the Facebook profile or the online profiles which we have about the kids. That is something which we can also share with our friends and colleagues. That is something like a bonus.
Yeah, especially with the grandparents. So because they couldn't be here to see his activities, for them to see it online, it was like they were actually seeing it. It's like that kind of experience.
All those pictures which are loaded, they're actually making it real for us. Like we cannot be here always, but we can actually see through the pictures what all he's doing here. Okay.
Is there anything can be improved in this play school?
I would just like to say that please, you just have till junior KG. I think you should start a school.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5?
We actually love the experience what he's getting, the progress he's getting, the basic things as like to eat, basic things like to eat on his own and to eat fruits and healthy stuffs. He is really doing good, and as far as academics is concerned, as also he is doing good. So the only thing I can say is please from junior KG really start a school.
On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 is the maximum. How likely you recommend this play school to other parents?
5.
Yeah, we would rate 5. Yes.
Thank you.
For sure.